And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create triangles in Illustrator. The first way is to use the polygon tool. Normally it looks like this with 6 sides. Use the arrow keys downwards to have only 3 and then hold shift to make it snap to 0 degrees. I'll put it here. The second way is to use the star tool. Once more, use the arrow keys until you've only got 3 sides, hold shift, there's your triangle. Use the rectangle tool, hold shift, you've got a perfect rectangle, then press the minus sign and click on one anchor point to delete it. When you click on minus, you've got this delete anchor point tool activated. You can delete any anchor point with it. Obviously you can just simply use the pen tool, hold shift and then create this triangle. But let us drag one of these down here, and when you just use your selection tool without holding any keys, you can resize the individual sides. When you use Alt, you will have left and right or top and bottom at the same time resized. When you hold Shift and Alt, it will keep its proportions. And when you only hold Shift, you've got this little effect where one anchor point stays in place and the other two are resized. And this is everything I wanted to show you when it comes to creating triangles in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.